anything. 11:20. No, ma'am. That's a no-no. When all the time you had, you could have went to the restroom. All that time you could have went to the restroom. No, ma'am. You're not going there. Sunset down. 20. 11:20. Hello, 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 hello. How y'all doing on this Friday? What does that mean? What's up? Does that mean what's up?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I can say a wasp, not the name. All right, make sure you have in front of you a sheet of paper with your name. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all look like students. Look at y'all sitting there looking like students. How cute. Supposed to look like students sitting there. Ready and ready. Ready and ready. Make sure you have your pencil. I hope you stay your timetable. No cheating, because cheating is not going to get you anywhere. It really not. It's really, really not. Not going to get you anywhere. Everyone knows what they are asked to do. You are about to embark in your 6 times tables. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you ready? Your paper. This is what I want you to do. I just want you to go on and number your paper 1 through 12. 1 through 12. You can skip a line if you like. 1 through 12, straight down. 1 through 12. Real quick. Count by 10s. I'm going to count by 10. I'm going to see how fast you're going to get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
I'm done.
5, 4,
I'm done with
3, 2, 1. Very good. Count down, and I'm going to share my screen. Sharing my screen. Presentation. Guys, everything straight up there? Yes? No, it's not. There you go. All right. Here it is. Make sure you in my class, you can move and see the board, because I don't want to hear no excuses about I can't see. I can't see. Don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it. Oh, somebody's coming in. Let me let them in, because it's about to go down. And they might have to catch it in the middle, and they ain't gonna know what to do. Come on in, William. Very good. Okay, please do not. Excuse me. Excuse me. You may want 1, sit down, 2, stop talking. That's on both sides. Thank you. Made me lose my thought. Oh well. I'm not gonna be on these slides because it's a slideshow. I'm not gonna be on these slides long, because you're supposed to know them like that. So once I show them, tell you direction, you need to be going on, get your answer down, okay? Please follow directions as given. If you write what I told you not to write, yeah, I'm not grading your, that one would be wrong, because if it does not match my answers, yours is wrong. That means you didn't follow directions, and that means you don't know your timetables. Moving on, you ready? Everybody ready? I see your thumbs up, Shanice. Very good. Very good. All right. Very good. Said me, Isaiah, Cody, and Holland. Awesome job. Thumbs up. So here we go. 6 timetable assessment. You got this. Don't miss your shots. Write the answer only. Do, 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 do. Right, number 2, write the answer only. Do, 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 do. Number 3, write the answer only. Do, 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 Number 4. This is 4, 5, and 6. This is 4, 5, and 6. The first one is 4. Write the answer. The next one is 5. Write the answer. Write A, B, or C. The last one is 6. A, B, or C. First one, A, B, or C. Second one, A, B, or C. Third one, A, B, or C. And I'm about to change this board. I'm not waiting. Know your timetables. I told you to study. You had 2 weeks. Now
Is
it's
it a row going down or we writing it all the answers in number 4?
72. You just write 4, whatever, A, B, or C. 5, A, B, or C. 6, A, B, or C. Okay. Moving on. Boom. Write the letter of the correct product. A, B, C, or D. Which one is it? A, B, C, or D. Which one is it? A, B, C, or D.
Then the red on black we can't see, so I'm going to read it to my students.
Okay.
The problem is 6 times 4. A is 42. B is 48. C is 54. D is 24. D is in dog.
Read
You
it
don't
again.
talk. 6 times 4. A is 42. B is 48. C is 54. D is 24.
I said do not put the answer in the box, people. Oh, you doing it privately. All right, here we go. There's the next one.
6 times 9. A is 54. B is 24. C is 48. D is 36.
Read it again.
6 times 9. A is 54. B is 24. C is 48. D is 36.
Thank you. A, B, C, or D. Here we go. Y'all can see that one? It's better. I'm saying. Let's go. Here we go. True or false? You can write T, you can write F, you can write true, you can write false. True or false? Next, true or false? You can write T, you can write F, you can write true, you can write false. True or false? Next, true or false? You can write T, you can write F, you can write true, you can write false. True or false? Great job. Get ready for your 8s. When we return back on November 30th, we will actually Monday we'll start on our studying our 8 timetables. Wait, Ms. Allen, you forgot 7s, Ann. I forgot the 1 through 4 too, and 5, and I started on 6s. So I can skip around if I want to. You will be learning your 8 timetables starting next week, studying your 8 timetables, and on December, whatever the date is, I think it's 3rd. I think it's December 3rd. I think. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, Lord, I can't find my calendar. Hold on, guys. I'm looking for my calendar, so I have to tell you the wrong date.
Thursday or Friday?
That's Friday.
Friday will be December the 4th.
Okay, great. Thank you. December 4th, you will have your 8 timetables. It will be a PowerPoint. I will not use red because clearly red and black doesn't match on the full screen. But it will be a PowerPoint, but I'm not saying it's going to be just like this. You must know your timetables, meaning I'm going to flip fast. Yes.
My sister's birthday is on December the 4th. I'm not gonna be here to do the test.
Who is that? Oh,
Jacoby.
well, your sister, how old she gonna be?
She's gonna be 6.
6. Babe, you might want to log in and do your test. I'm just saying. Just saying, you might want to log in and do your test. I never heard of such. Your sister's birthday and you ain't gonna be at school. Okay, cool, but they ain't stopping you from doing your work. But thank you for letting me know, FYI. Appreciate that. All right. My chip, Holland. I'm not grading it that way, Holland. Take a picture. Virtual people. Take a picture. Text it to me, send it to me, scan it in. Don't text me your answer in here. I'm not grading your paper through the chat. Because I'm finna move on to science. I'm stop sharing. Game over. If you could, thank you very much. Great job, scholars. If you could pass your paper to the front, and Miss Darby is picking up papers in her room. Since you up, Jonathan, pick the papers up. And bring them to me. Don't put them in the basket. Bring them to me, these assessments. All right.
Science on your desk. Science.
Guys, you need to know 4 vocabulary words today to do this assignment. 4. The 4 vocabulary words you need to know is mixture, solution, solute, and solvent. Mixture, solution, solute, and solvent. Those are the 4 vocabulary words you will need today to
You got that, Miss Adams?
Can you say it again?
You got that, Miss Adams, that I sent you?
Yes, I did. It just came in. Mixture, solution, solvent, solute. Those are the 4 words we are focusing on today. What are the 4 words? Mixture,
Yes,
solution, solvent, and salute. Did what, baby girl? Yes, you need to get out a sheet of paper. Mari, Miss Hogan wants you. You need to get out a sheet of paper. Yeah, my love. Can I say what, baby? What I'm finna do now? Well, I'm going live so you can watch it when you come back. Shane didn't do it. Bless her heart. Okay. What you said? This pack of paper right here, the paper over there, but use this up first. There's no excuse on paper. I have too much. Before we go into salute, solving, mixture, and solution, I want to show you guys what you need to do to your cereal box when you are preparing your project. Because as you know, Monday and Tuesday, we're not in school, but we are in school, but we're not physically in the building. We're doing what's called e-learning days. And with the e-learning days, you will have work pushed out to you on the computer. I'm going to let you know my work right now because I figured mine out yesterday sitting in the meeting. If I can find my paper. I figured mine out yesterday, and I would like to thank those children parents that showed up last night to the parent meeting. Thank you so much for encouraging your parents for showing up. You know, you get rewarded royally with 50 points. I think 50 points is pretty cool. Consider. My work for Monday and Tuesday is going to come from Savage Realize, Edge Elastics, and Renaissance. Y'all hear me?
So what's the last?
Ma'am.
What's the last one you said?
Renaissance. That remember, you supposedly took your Renaissance test, the Renaissance math and reading test. If you was virtual,
From the L.
y'all remember that?
Miss Adams.
Took your reading math test from the district. This is
Miss
a test from the district. You supposed to took that test on math and it's called a STAR test. You took it from math and you took it on reading. I'm gonna start giving workout. So if you have not done your Renaissance math test, your Renaissance STAR reading test, make sure you do that today. Make sure you do that today, Friday. So make sure you work on that today. Make sure you work on it Saturday if you have to, Sunday, because Monday, Tuesday, be looking for some work from Savas Realize, Edulastic, and the Renaissance Star. I'm going to give assignments in those, and I'm the only 3 platforms I'm using for Monday and Tuesday. I'm not using any more platforms. And your work is due when? Tuesday. It's due when? Tuesday, because Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, we're on vacation. Keyword, we are. Don't you think we need a break?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you think we need a break? I think we need a break. Yeah,
Yes.
we need a break. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is our break. And I'm going to go in and say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is our break. We're breaking. We're not thinking about doing no work. We're done because we're going to catch up all our work this weekend. So we don't have to worry about it next weekend. I said we're going to catch up on our work, Chris, Cody, William, Emma, Denise, Isaiah, Holland. We're going to catch up on our work because we're at home and we having to do online work. We're going to catch up on our work that we haven't done because next week we're going to chill. I'm chilling next week.
We gonna have a chill day. We gonna have a chill day.
We're going to chill.
Miss Adams,
Yes, my love.
can you send me a picture through a text message of all my work?
No.
Oh.
no.
Miss Adams,
What do you mean? What? Explain to me, baby. What you talking about? Send you a picture of all your.
yeah, send me a picture through a text message of my work.
Come on, what you gotta do Monday and Tuesday?
Yes, ma'am.
You can't get into Schoology.
No, ma'am.
Why?
I tried it. I tried it on computer and then it didn't work.
Even that picture I sent you where you put my code in,
Yes, ma'am.
Isaiah, you gonna work me. I don't want to be worked, Isaiah. But I send it to you. Remind me. You gonna have to remind me. I'm old and I got a lot of stuff going on in my head. I ain't that old, but you know, I got a lot of stuff going on. Okay. I gotta
Okay.
get my work turned in by the 29th. So I got a lot of stuff going on.
Okay.
You gonna have to remind me to help you. All right. So I want you guys to look at this. This is my shoebox. Well, not my shoebox, but this is my cereal box. I just found the box. I said, oh, this will be a good box. It's about the same size as a cereal box or whatever. But this is my box. You cannot write your element on this box like this. What must I do to this box?
Put some paper on it. Print.
What you say?
Put some paper on it.
Put some paper on it. Yes. Get you some white paper, get you some construction paper, and go to town. Glue it, stick it, tape it. Don't lick on it. Or you can paint it, but I'm not going through that process and I'm not making anybody, but you be creative. But all you got to do is, like, I'm finna go through a whole lot of tape. Not really though, but just to say, I'm finna tape my cereal box up, right? I don't know if y'all can see me in which y'all can't. I thought the camera would like kind of pan in. Okay, you kind of see now. It's okay. Zoom out. What's that, boo? Your test. Did you? Thank you. Okay, creative for effort. Put paper on It's kind of like, have you ever what is it? What do you do to Christmas boxes? Gift wrap. Yeah, have you ever gift wrapped a present before?
Yes, no.
Some of y'all have, some of y'all may have it, but it's just like gift wrapping a box. And you can also use the back of the wrapping paper if the back of the wrapping paper is clear, not with the lines. You can also use the back of the wrapping paper too. Okay. So as y'all see, this is my box. Not perfect, but it is what it is. What you said, it is what it is. It is what it is. Not perfect, but it is what it is. So I'm finna share from my other screen so y'all can see exactly what Miss A is about to do. Somebody texting no. No one's texting me. Somebody's texting me. All right, here we go. Here's my cereal box. This is my element box. Okay. This is my cereal box for my element. Everybody with me, right? Okay. So it said it had to be, I'm hydrogen. So the first thing, you see, I have my periodic table to help me. I'm hydrogen. So that's my atomic number. Oh, okay. It needs an atomic number. So I'm gonna get my marker, not that one, because I'm anal with some stuff. Oh, big one. Here we go. Okay, here we go. At the top, it had, see at the top, it has the atomic number there. So I'm gonna put the atomic number at the top. Okay, so I got my atomic number at the top. Then it has the symbol, which is H. It's the marker. What did I just drew? H. And then I'm gonna get my crayons or my marker and I'm gonna color in. All right. So I colored in my H. Well, next it has the what? Name. That's the name. So this is H, hydrogen. So I'm gonna write hydrogen. Uh-oh. Now what, ma'am? Is my bucket bothering you? I told you to move yourself so you can't see me disturbing my world. So now I have my hydrogen on there. And now it asks for the atomic what? Number. Mass, the atomic mass, which is 1.008. It's 1.008. Okay. Now this periodic table, and this one may help those children that decided they wanted the big one, the 99 and the 100. Yeah, this periodic table may help you because at the bottom, that you see that little one at the bottom. Does everybody see that one at the bottom? That tell you how many electrons per shell. That circle that goes around, that circle that went around is your shell. It's all because it's only one atom in hydrogen. Yes. It's a gas. It's 1, baby. That's a 1. It's letting you know, that little 1 right there, letting you know that there's 1 electron in the shell. That's it. You got 1 electron, 1 proton, and 1 what? Neutron. Very good. Now, for y'all to see my board, see my box. This is, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. For now, anyway. Here it is. This is it. This is it. This is it. That's how your cereal box look, but it's covered. The whole entire box is covered. This is how it looks. Y'all see it? Does everybody understand how I want it done now?
Yeah.
Ma'am, this is what I prefer. Now, if you want to go the extra step, I don't have a problem with extra step. Extra step get you extra credit if it's awesome. Listen to what I say. Extra steps give you extra credit if it's awesome. I do believe in rewarding you if you go beyond what's asked of you and it is on point. It is awesome. It is lit. it is fire, whatever y'all want to call it. I believe in rewarding you for that. But if you just gonna throw some stuff, I'm gonna put some stickers over here, and I'm gonna put some doodle whoops over here, and I'm gonna write my name in cursive back here, but then I'm gonna put some flowers and an eagle and a troll. That ain't going beyond. I don't want that. You might as well keep it plain. You understand? But if you go beyond and it fits with what you're doing, extra credit points, I don't have a problem giving it to you. Any questions about this before we move on to mixtures and solutions? Question? They would just get a 0 because I just went over what you should do to her.
I got her number and I got her YouTube channel. I don't need it.
Oh, you talking to your mama. I'm like, baby, what you saying? All right, here we go. Can somebody tell me what is, I got to share my screen. Hold up. Must share my screen. Screen my share. Oh my God, Becky. Here we go. The word is mixture. On your sheet of paper, we're about to go through, you're going to tell me is what I'm going to show you. You're going to tell me if that is a mixture or if that is a solution. Okay. So you can write on your paper mixture versus solution. You can write mixture versus solution. Oh, that didn't even help the situation. All right, mixture versus solution. What's a mixture? What's a mixture? 4 more things are combined together. But there you go. They still have their own properties. 2 or more things combined together, but still have their own properties is a mixture. Okay, this is what I showed you was a mixture. Here it is. These are more than one thing combined together. That's a mixture, but each one still has its own properties. Y'all see that? And then remember, I put out the Alka-Seltzer and the water, and that was a what? No, it was not a mixture. We come to the new word, solution. What's a solution? What's a solution? Not an example of a solution. What's the definition of solution?
Gary, you're going to read it louder.
A degree to which a material will dissolve in another substance.
Huh?
Sierra just read a degree to which, Go ahead, Sierra.
A material will dissolve in another substance.
A degree to which a material will dissolve in another substance.
Ah, very good, very close. Solution is when you get two or more things put together and they blend evenly and you cannot separate, basically, okay? They blend evenly, you can't. When we drop the Alka-Seltzer in the water, what did the Alka-Seltzer do? It dissolved, but by dissolving, it did what? It blended in with the water. Could I later pull out and separate the Alka-Seltzer from the water? No, I could not. No. So that made a solution. That made a what? It made a solution. All right. We got mixture and solution. Here we got a solvent. And we have a solute. A solvent and a solute. I don't think y'all can see that very well. But we have a solvent and we have a solute. What's a solvent? No, you already wrote it down. It's in your notes. Now, can you write something down? No, it's already written down in your notes. What's a solvent and what's a solute? Y'all better start going back over y'all stuff. Solute, the substance that is dissolved. Solute is the substance that's being dissolved. The solvent is the solute being dissolved in. The solution substance in which the solute is being dissolved in is called the solvent. Water is a what? Water doesn't dissolve. Water is a solvent. It's the universal solvent. Water is a solvent. Yes, sir. Water does not dissolve, baby. Water makes things dissolve in it. But water does not dissolve, okay? So we're finna, you got to tell me which is the solute and which is the solvent, which easy peasy, what's gonna happen now? That's what you got to tell me. And then you got to tell me, is it a mixture or is it a solution? We're gonna do, let's see the first one. All right. Let me know if you can see this because I can zoom in. That's it. That's a little better. What is that? What do you think that is? Baby said it. What is it? Sand. Yes, that's sand in a cup. Sand in a cup. So is sand the solute or the solvent? Huh? It's the solvent? Y'all think sand is the solvent?
A solute.
We just said what a solute and solvent was, right? Solvent is what? Solvent
It's water.
Thank you. That's sand. Okay, cool. Cool.
Sitting
What's
up.
that? Water. That's water. So it's what? Which one is the solvent and which one is the solute? Write on your paper. Number one. Let me write my answers down so I can know. You're gonna write the word solvent and you're gonna write the word solute. And next to solvent, number one.
Sand.
Okay, so let's move that and let me show you. This is what I said. This is what you're gonna write. Number one, solvent, ... colon, solute, colon. Y'all got it? Which one is the solvent? Which one is the solute? Who's the solute? We're going to do the first one together. Who's the solute? Talk, people.
Water.
Who keep hollering water? We just said water is the universal what? Solvent. Thank you, Emma. The solute is the sand. And the solvent is the
Water.
solvent. Remember, what can be dissolved in it? Sand is the solute is what can be dissolved. You got it? What can be dissolved is the solute. What the substance is that's being dissolved in is the solvent. Okay? So now we got that part right. So on the side, we're going to say whether this is a mixture or if this is a solution. Okay? So I have my water and I have my sand. That's my spoon I'm eating with, so I'm not going to stir with that. Watch what happens. Now I'm gonna show it to you. Sit down. I'm gonna show it to you. What you're not finna do. All right. So. let's see. I'm trying to let y'all see. Yeah, it does. All right, guys, is this a solution or is this a mixture?
A mixture.
Write on your paper. If it's a solution or a mixture. Okay, so y'all can see. Is this a solution or is this a mixture? Is this a solution or is it a mixture? Is it a solution or a mixture? What do y'all, did y'all write it down? Did you write what it was? A solution or a mixture?
I got it wrote down.
Okay. So, Holland, what's the answer? Bless you.
A mixture?
Why? What makes that a mixture? What makes it a mixture? Can somebody answer what makes it a mixture? Jacqueline?
No property.
Because it didn't mix it even
Huh?
because it didn't blend in.
Okay. What you was gonna say, Chan?
No property.
It still got its own property. It didn't blend in. Very good, Shanice. Very good, Chaney. It didn't blend in. It did what? It settled. You see, when I stirred it, it got cloudy, right? But after the particles got kind of chilled out, it settled, and the sand went to the what? Bottom of the cup, which makes it a mixture because now I can pull the sand out. I can separate the sand from the water. So sand and water makes a what? Mixture. Not a solution. Very good, Kill Bills. All right. I'm trying to keep this so I won't knock it off because I'm very clumsy too. Okay, so our next one is you got to write number 2. So those that can see what's going on. All right, number 2, you write
Where's the piece of paper I gave you, Brandon?
solvent. Tell what the solvent is, and you got to tell what the solute is. And then we got to tell if it's a mixture or solution. Y'all with me? All right, here we got an acid. Y'all see that? We got an antacid, and we have white vinegar. Which one is the solvent and which one is the solute?
This goes on the white paper I gave you guys. This doesn't go on anything else.
Which one is the solvent and which one is the solute? Remember what we said a solvent is and what a solute is.
The vinegar.
No, we're not talking, we're writing.
You're writing, guys.
Writing.
Where's the quiz?
We're writing. Which one is the solvent and which one is the solute? Y'all got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all have it? All right, let's get ready to see what Miss Adams been about to do. Yes, I see.
Scary.
Sir? Vinegar stinks. Yes, it does. Not stinks. I didn't know this wasn't open. Wow. Could have got the one downstairs that was open. Smell like, ooh, smell like some bad chips. Yes, that's what it smells like. Okay, y'all see the vinegar?
No.
It's clear, baby. I need you to get on board. Hold on, my antacids aren't open either. Can anybody tell what antacids are good for?
Do you have heartburn?
Heartburn. What you saying? Gas. No, antacids are not good for a cold.
Gas.
Gas. Heartburn. When you get that pain in your chest like you about to die, you just got to burp or release. Yeah, that's what antacids are for. I'm going to use 2. I can't give you one. This is actually considered medicine, and I wouldn't want to eat that anyway. So how old is it? All right, I'm dropping in the antacids, as you see, 2 antacids and vinegar.
Oh, hush and watch.
What can I do to make something dissolve? Huh? Stir it. Okay.
Add heat.
Add heat. Well, I can't add heat because it's a plastic cup.
Like hot boiling water or something like
You
that.
can shake it.
I can shake it. Well, stirring it up is a form of shaking. But is it dissolving?
No.
It is
A little bit. A little
But-
bit.
there you go, a little bit. So what is that? Is that a mixture or is that a solution? Write it on your paper. Number 2, write it on your paper. Is that a mixture or is that a solution?
Mm.
All right, number 3. You ready? Y'all gotta talk to me.
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
They're slowly dissolving, but not fast enough. Number 3. All right, we're gonna work with real lemon juice. Real lemon juice and Alka-Seltzer. Real lemon juice and Alka-Seltzer. Who's the solute and who's the solvent? Who's the solute and who's the solvent?
can I tell them the answer?
No, you got to write on your paper. We have 2 more to do. And then we're gonna. Y'all ready?
No.
Oh, y'all writing slow. Come on. Alka-Seltzer lemon juice. That's all you got to write. Alka-Seltzer lemon juice.
Yes,
Sir.
ma'am. Answer.
Hey, baby, this been up there long enough for you know how to spell it. I can't deal with the slowness. I can't. I keep telling you, I can't do turtles. Turtles. Spell the best way you can. Because that was up there long enough for you to know. I got to write that down. Let me write that down. Can't do turtles. Slow people. All right. And it's the what? Real lemon juice.
It doesn't dissolve because it has its own property.
Yep, that's right. It doesn't dissolve and it has its own properties. So you pretty much know, oh, it broke up in pieces. Look at me. All right, here we go. Watch it. Tell me what we getting.
That is a mixture. It
That is-
dissolves.
Stop talking, Isaiah, and write it on your paper, please. Because you telling people stuff that they don't need to listen to. Oh, it looked like soap bubbles, yeah.
It's like some pea. It's like pea. Yeah, beer.
Oh, it smells good though. Oh my gosh. It does. It smells good. It smells like lemon meringue pie.
What is lemon meringue pie?
Miss Adams,
Yes, love.
you drunk it?
No. Oh, no. Rule number 2 in science. Rule number 1 in science. Don't put nothing in your mouth. No, I did not drink that. I smelt it. I used the other sense of smelling. Don't ever taste nothing in science unless your teacher says okay.
Ooh, like you drunk it.
All right, so you gotta tell whether this is a mixture or this is a solution. I hold it up back to the other camera. You gotta tell if it's a mixture or a solution.
What's going down?
Shush it, boy.
Uh-huh.
All right, y'all ready to move on? Hello?
Yes.
All right, number 4. Here we go. Number 4. Write down solute, solvent, solute, however you want to write it. Let's write it down. So Miss Alice can now tell you, show you the other one.
You find it in the store. You didn't find it though.
I ain't finding nothing. I know what I'm doing. Here's our cup. We're gonna work with vegetable oil and food coloring. Vegetable oil and food coloring. Oh, second now. Who's the solvent now? Who's the solute now? All right. Who's the solvent? Who's the solute?
That's easy.
That's easy. Okay. Hmm. Who's the solvent now? Who's the solution now? Let's figure it out. Y'all ready? Clap one time. Oh, only a few people ready. Clap 2 times. You ready? All right, that means we ready.
Ready.
Here's my cup. Pop in the top.
You can cook with that.
Yes, you can cook with vegetables.
You can
Edible. You can eat. Not by itself. Yes, you eat. Right.
you can use the food coloring to change your food, and it's going to dissolve in the water.
All right, so I'm getting ready to pour.
It's gonna have its own mixture. Properties, and it ain't gonna.
The vegetable oil looks like apple juice.
It ain't gonna dissolve because it has its own
It
properties.
look like an old bottle of apple juice.
Gonna turn red.
Gonna turn red.
Yeah, it's gonna turn red when you put the food coloring in. It's gonna dissolve in the water and turn it red. Stir it. You have to stir it.
I have to stir it.
It'll be red if you stir it.
Yeah, it's gonna turn. It look like coronavirus piece.
Tell me, is that a mixture? Is that a solution?
It's a mix.
On your paper, please. Write it on your paper. Quit being rude. If I would say this is your test and you ain't gotta take a test in science, some of y'all will fail because y'all yelling answers out. Is it a mixture or is it a solution? You said. Let y'all see.
It's like them little coronavirus things like you see on the TV.
Mhm. I make a mixture. Did I make a solution? I forgot about you. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay. All right, moving on. You ready to move on? Clap once if you're ready. All right, I heard claps. Moving on. Back to the side. Here you go. This is no, it's salt. Salt.
Salt. I ain't never put salt and water together. So it's gonna be common.
Now, salt. You got salt and you have water. Who's the solute and who's the solvent? Who's the solute and who's the solvent? Water and salt. Who's the solute? Who's the solvent? And
Easy.
water. Don't put it all in it. Water. And now I have my salt. And what y'all say I have to do?
Third.
Stir it.
Stir it. It's gonna turn the water white, more white. I think. I don't know.
We're not tasting anything in science. How many times I gotta say that? That's right.
Ooh.
Have a
Oh yeah, that was correct. It
with hot water.
Oh, I know.
was like that Gatorade, the white kind.
If you have a sore throat, you will heat the water up, gargle with salt water. My mama said salt water and pepper. Don't ask me why, but that's what she said. But it works.
Don't
And
salt water good for after you lose
Put
teeth.
it back in your throat and you spit it out. Don't drink it. Salt water is not good for you to drink. And then you spit it out and it will help it helps your throat.
You used to use that for your teeth.
Salt
you,
water?
yeah, after you lose a tooth.
Oh, yeah. You gargle with salt water and on in the spot where you lost your tooth. What do you think that salt is doing to your gums?
Filling it back in.
Making the blood stop bleeding.
Making the blood stop, but it's toughening up your gums. It's making your gums tender and toughen up. Tighter, yes. Salt makes some stuff tighter. Vinegar makes some stuff tighter. Yes. All right, here it is. I'm gonna let the cat out of the bag. Is it a solution or is it a mixture? Write it down. Write it down. That was number 5. Guess what? That's it. That's it. This is a grade. This is a grade. So virtual, take a picture, snap it to me, send it to me. Y'all make sure your name on your paper, send it to me. And now we just finished chemicals.
That was a grade. I didn't
Yes, that's a grade. And I hope you doing it because if you're just sitting there looking, oops, on you, your grade messed up. Because that's what we talked about last night at the parent meeting about you not doing your work and you're not having your grade.
Miss Adams.
Yes.
We gotta take a picture of our math. Test.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Miss Adams.
Yes.
So we made a
It what, babe?
is we supposed to build the thing too? Cause we built it and did the cereal box. So
Yeah, you had 3 parts.
okay.
You had 3 parts.
Excuse me, Miss Adams.
Yes,
How
sir.
long does our break? How long is our break?
What break?
Our
Next week?
Thanksgiving break.
Your Thanksgiving break is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days.
Miss
Wednesday,
Adams.
Saturdays.
It starts Wednesday. Yes, you say William?
Yes.
Say William?
Go back to your desk.
What you
Miss
say, William? Yes.
Do we supposed to write our questions about the project on a separate piece of paper?
It can actually be, well, you're writing. Let me pull that out. Okay. Your first part is research, and that's typed. Those are questions that are typed. That's the first part. Then your creativity, you making a model. So you're making a model has to be on a separate thing from your questions. You see what I'm saying? Okay.
Do we have Microsoft Word so we
Yeah.
can submit our project?
Yes, you should have Microsoft on your computer, but guess what? If you don't, go to Google Docs. If you put the,
I don't have access to Google Docs. Is that
yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. It's called Google.com, Google Docs. Yes, you do. You have access to Google. It ain't got to be Best with City Link. You have access to Google. It's called gogoogle.com. And you can go to Docs. That's that blue. I think it's a blue sheet of paper. Thank you very much, ma'am. You can do a blue sheet of paper and you can type your stuff in. And it has a button at the top that says share. And you can share it with me by putting my school address in there. Okay? And you can do that for all your assignments, really. In a minute, you know what? Let me go and show that to you now. I'm finished. Stop sharing over here. Hey, I'm talking, but you need to stop and pay attention because you're going to have to go to school, go home one day, and you need to know what? Not when I'm teaching. Come get one out the box.
What's that? Oh, no.
Okay, so let me share this screen for my babies.
Oh, I was trying to see. What's it?
Babe, if I was you, I'd sit down. I'm just saying. Because my teacher sometimes don't, she ain't got good sense. My teacher sometimes don't have good sense, so I need to go and sit myself down. I know, right? They trying to fight us. Okay, once you go to Google, look, Holland. Once you go here to google.com, you're gonna get this thing right there, google.com. Gonna see these 9 little dots over here. And you're gonna see that thing said docs, D-O-C-S, docs. You click on Google Docs. You with me, Holland?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. And you're gonna see this plus sign right here. You're gonna click on that because it's gonna say blank. You starting fresh. You just start typing. But here I said Times Roman. You go down to T's, and there go Times New Roman. Click on Times New Roman. I said 12. There's a 12, and you can just start typing.
What is a Roman?
It's just a font. I don't know that one, baby.
Miss Adams, what's the questions for the project?
The questions on your project are these. It's on Thursday, November the 12th, I think, folder. It's in the be quiet. It's in the Thursdays folder in science. That's where you'll find your project. In the Thursdays folder in science. But you see how I just hit hello class?
Yes, ma'am.
And I say have a great Thanksgiving. Oh, I misspelled some stuff. Oh, look what happened. It's telling me how to spell it. And I just hit tab. Giving break. Period. See you on the 30th.
Sit down.
Love you all. All right. So guess what? You see this button right here says share. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hit share. And before you share, it's saying give your thing a title. I'm gonna say that's a title. I could have skipped it, but I can share with people and I can share with groups. I'm gonna share this with Jay Cheney. Let's see, does she have one? Jakayla? No, you're not Jakayla. You Jakiri, aren't you? You don't have one? Who has one? You don't have one. What's yours? Boy, please. D-Dolls. Let's see. D-Doll. There go Deja. I'm sharing it with Deja. See, her name came up. I'm going to click her name. It's getting shared with Deja. Let's see, Holland. Okay, Holland. I'm finna share it with Holland. Shanice. That's her mama. Shanice. I spelled Shanice wrong. Okay, what's Shanice's last name? Royer. Let me see. Can I find Royer? Is she? My Shanice. There she go. Okay, Mr. Shanice don't have one. I'm sharing it with Shanice. Isaiah. Isaiah Davis, not Thomas. Let me see. DAV. Let's see, do he have one? IS. Does Isaiah have one? Isaiah doesn't have one. I don't know. What's your name? Jonathan Williams. Let's see. JOHN. Yep. Jonathan. I'm sharing it with Jonathan. Who else online? William Kirsch. Let me see, is Mr. Kirsch in here? Kirsch. SH.
I don't know who that is.
Cabrina Kirsch. You know who Cabrina Kirsch is with?
No, I don't know who that is.
So
That's my
William,
mama right there.
that was your mama. Well, William doesn't have one. Let's see who else in here. Emma Seals. Let's see, is Emma Seals got one? Yep, there's Emma Seals, E Seals. I'm sharing. Do you see how I'm sharing? I'm putting in people names and emails coming in. I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm finna share this. I'm sharing with Miss Darby. Let's see who in Miss Darby class. Passion. Let's see Passion. Oh, Passion Horace. She has one. I'm sharing with Passion. And I'm hitting Sin. And guess what? Y'all got it in y'all email address. Y'all got it in y'all email account. Because you don't have one, babe. In actuality, all you got to do is set yourself up a Gmail account. And I will accept you if you let me know, Ms. Adams, the school didn't give me one. So can I just set my own up? Yes, please do. I'm gonna stop sharing. Please set your own up so that, babe, get that off your head. Please set your own up so that you can access Schoology and you can access the things that I send you guys, okay? Did that make it a little better for you, Holland? Did she move on?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did that make it good for you, Shanice?
Yes, ma'am.
So y'all don't, can you stop Jacaria? So you don't actually have to take pictures all the time. You can type it in. Just type it in, okay? But that's if y'all want to. You may want to take that practice though, because when you get in middle school, guess what you're gonna be doing a lot of?
Typing.
Typing. So you might want to take that practice in while you can. Hey, Cody. All right. Are there any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Let's look back at that antacid and vinegar. I think it's, yeah. Oh, Jesus. It's like pickle pink.
Liquor sour.
It turned pink, so it's slowly dissolving. But what is this? Is this a mixture or solution?
It's a mixture.
It's a mixture.
It is a solution.
Solution.
Mixture,
It's
boy.
not blended together. It's not blended together. I can take the antacids out and separate the antacids from the vinegar. You're just gonna have a little acid in the vinegar though. All right. I have really enjoyed y'all this week. I really, 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 truly have enjoyed you this week. Make it a habit. Make sure if you are at home and you have not taken that Renaissance Star, take your Renaissance Star, okay? Take your Renaissance Star test, math and science. Make sure it's math and reading. I'm sorry. Math and reading. Make sure you take that test today, tomorrow, Sunday. Because Monday, really Tuesday, you're going to have Renaissance work. Tuesday, you're having Renaissance work. So I'm giving you a long time to Sunday to get it done. Okay, because I got to look at your data. Cody, babe, you in a position, not a good one to be texting that to everybody to read. Don't read what he wrote. You're not in that kind of position, boo. And we care less. Keep it to yourself. Have a great and wonderful weekend. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to turn your chat off, Cody, next time. So you're going to have to talk. I'm turning your chat off, Cody. Anybody that violate the chat rules up in here, being nasty stuff, I'm turning it off. I'm so glad Isaiah feel happy today. But he worked, so I guess he deserved to act a nut in the kitchen. Yeah, you. All right. Have a great weekend, guys. Love you. See you